Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are unable to install your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you are getting this kind of error. Windows cannot be installed required files. Make sure all files required for installation are available. So to fix this error, first you have to cut this error. Open Windows Startup again, then click on Repair Your Computer option. So this will open the advanced mode. Click on it. Now click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Command Prompt. So this is the command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to fix this issue. So the first command will be disk part. Press enter. Wait for a few seconds. Type the next command, list space disk. Press enter. So as you can see, these are the two disks I have right now in my laptop. Disk 1 is my internal hard drive of 320 GB and disk 1 is my USB pen drive which is right now connected with my laptop. So you have to select your internal hard drive. So you have to select disk 0. So the command will be, next command will be select disk, then type the disk number. So my internal hard drive is 320 GB and the disk number is 0. So you have to enter 0. So the command will be select space disk space 0. Press enter. Now type the next command, clean. But one important thing, in this process all your data in your hard drive will remove. So if you have any important data, first take the data backup. Otherwise this command will delete all the files from your hard drive. So as you can see, disk part succeed in cleaning the disk. Now type the next command, convert space mbr. So this command will convert your hard drive to mbr. Press enter. Disk part successfully converted the selected disk to mbr format. Now type exit. Press enter. Type exit again. Press enter. That's it. Now click on this option, turn off your PC, and after that start the installation process again. Click on install now. Select the edition, click on next. I accept, click on next, click on custom. So this is my hard drive of 320 GB. Right now it is in unallocated space. Click on new, click on apply to create a partition. Click on next and you can see the installation process has been started successfully without any error. So this is all for the video. Thank you.